Space, the final frontier. A place where the ordinary rules of physics twist into something extraordinary. Imagine entire planets made of diamonds. Storms of iron raining down from alien skies. Or black holes so powerful they stretch time itself. Today we're diving into 10 unbelievable facts about the universe. Each one stranger than science fiction. And I promise, the last one even surprised scientists. Stay with me because this journey will blow your mind. Fact 1. A planet made of diamonds. Let's begin with pure luxury on a cosmic scale. Far away, orbiting a star, lies a planet named 55 Cancri. What makes it special? Roughly 1/3 of it is believed to be solid diamond. Now think about this. If we could somehow mine it, its value would reach quadrillions of dollars. That's more than all the money ever printed on Earth. But here's the twist. The surface is a blazing inferno hotter than 2000 degrees Celsius. No machine, no spacecraft, no human could ever survive there. So those diamonds, they're locked away forever, glittering in silence. Fact 2. Diamond rain on Jupiter and Saturn. Sounds like a fairy tale? On Jupiter and Saturn, diamonds don't just sit inside the planet. They fall from the sky. Here's how it works. The insane pressure in their atmospheres breaks methane apart. The carbon squeezes together and transforms into diamonds. These diamonds grow, cluster, and eventually fall like raindrops. Picture standing under a storm, not of water but of gemstones. Thousands of sparkling crystals tumbling from the heavens. Of course you'd be crushed instantly by the atmosphere. But what a sight it would be. Fact 3. Iron rain on Neptune. As if diamond storms weren't enough. Neptune gives us something even darker. Temperatures there drop to -200 degrees Celsius. And under that pressure droplets of iron form in the sky. And fall down like heavy bullets from the cosmos. Imagine an alien thunderstorm where instead of raindrops, molten iron hammers the ground. A true iron rain, echoing in the endless dark. Fact 4. Black holes bend time. Now prepare for something truly mind-bending. Black holes don't just trap matter. They warp time itself. If you could hover close to the event horizon, seconds for you would stretch into years for the outside world. You might feel only minutes pass, while Earth would have spun through decades. In other words, black holes are natural time machines, but ones you can never return from. Fascinating and terrifying. Fact 5. The sun sings. Our own star isn't silent. It sings. Deep inside the sun, massive vibrations ripple through its burning plasma. These create sound waves. We can't hear them with our ears, but with special instruments, scientists recorded its song. And the sound? Like a giant cosmic organ droning endlessly. A deep, powerful hum that's been echoing for billions of years. Right above our heads. Fact 6. More stars than sand. Now here's a number so huge it's almost impossible to grasp. Astronomers estimate there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Take a moment. Think of all the coastlines you've ever seen. Miles and miles of golden sand, each grain tiny and countless. Now imagine, every single grain replaced with a blazing star. That's the scale of our universe. It makes our world feel both incredibly small and incredibly special. Fact 7. The Hell Planet. Meet HD 189733b, nicknamed the Hell Planet. What? The winds rage at 8,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet. The temperature soars past 1,000 degrees Celsius. And the atmosphere? It's filled with shards of glass. Carried by those winds, they slice through the sky sideways. If you could visit, you'd be shredded instantly. It's not just uninhabitable, it's a nightmare brought to life. Fact 8. The universe smells like raspberries. But not everything out there is deadly. Some of it is surprisingly sweet. In the center of our galaxy, scientists found a molecule, ethyl formate. On Earth, that molecule smells and tastes like raspberries. Yes, raspberries. So in a strange way, you could say the Milky Way has a flavor. Sweet, fruity, and cosmic. Fact 9. Earth is losing its atmosphere. Now let's bring it back home. Every single day, our planet loses around 90 tons of atmosphere. Tons. It escapes into space, particle by particle. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry, this process is unbelievably slow. At this rate, we'll still have air for billions of years to come. Plenty of time to breathe. Fact 10. Looking into the past. And finally, the fact that even stuns scientists. When you gaze at the night sky, you're not looking at the present. You're looking into history. The light from those stars has been traveling for thousands, sometimes millions of years. So the stars you see tonight? Some of them may already be gone. Every twinkle in the sky is a message from the past. A cosmic postcard that finally reached Earth, long after its sender may have vanished. Conclusion. Space is beautiful. Space is terrifying. And above all, space is strange beyond belief. Every discovery reminds us how little we truly know. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because the universe still has countless secrets to share.